In this video, we would like to show you the LASIK laser surgery performed with the MedLogic's ML7 Microkeratome system operated by Dr. Huseynov from Istanbul, Turkey. For this surgery, our eye surgeon will create a temporal hinge. Before he is starting the operation, he will fix the patient eyelids with a speculum. Before creating the flap, our eye surgeon marks the cornea with a special eye marker and ensures that the flap to be created is in the exact center of the cornea. In this way, eye surgeon will be able to start the vacuum by placing the ML7 vacuum ring in the center of the cornea. ML7 system can apply 550 mm of mercury vacuum pressure within 1 second. As you see, vacuum is already elevated and surgeon will create 100 micron thickness flap as quick as 7 seconds. Well, flap is ready for lift off and surgeon can prepare the stromal bed for Excimer laser shooting. As you see on the video, cornea cutting edges and stromal bed looks perfectly smooth. Laser shooting completed and surgeon will wash the cornea and put back the flap where it was. Surgeon did a great job. Flap is perfectly placed without any complication. As you see on the video, cornea and flap borders perfectly matched without any gap. And there is no subconjunctival hemorrhage sign or groove on the eye. Now let's talk about the advantages of the ML7 system. ML7 can easily create precise flap for LASIK laser eye surgery. For the eye surgeons, predictability is very important issue. Therefore the ML7 can provide a predictable laser eye surgery. If you are using ML7, you can easily create 360 degrees temporal, nasal and superior flaps. The ML7 creates a symmetrical and smooth spherical stromal bed with a flap of equal and constant thickness. If you want to make your patients happy, you can use the ML7 system to offer them a painless laser surgery and minimal irritation sensation after surgery. With the ML7 system, you can create temporal or nasal flaps and enable your patients to recover corneal sensitivity within short period. In this way, you can minimize the dry eye sensation of your patients. ML7 eye ring design with lowest and shortest vacuum procedure means less cornea edema for your patient eye. A precise flap and patient-friendly laser eye surgery procedures are very important for your patients to restore their vision recovery rapidly. If you want to make your patients happy with great results, definitely you will need to have an ML7 system. According to Dr. Huseynov, the ML7 system is a more predictable and useful solution to other microkeratomes and femto lasers. Also, Dr. Huseynov believes the ML7 system provides a higher quality LASIK flap than any of the femto lasers or microkeratomes. The most important conclusion we have drawn from this study is that even if you have the best Excimer laser technology in the world, result of laser eye surgery cannot be satisfactory if you do not use precise technologies. Thank you for watching.